focusing on the quantity of what I know, but more so on the quality of what I know.
Absolutely.
Be obsessed with the quality of what I'm learning as opposed to I just memorize the solo.
Yeah, absolutely. That's important, like to make yourself zero in.
Yeah.
It's so hard for us to do that, especially in this day.
Corey has his sound. How did Corey consume all of that information but still maintain his authentic sound?
It came from wanting to do my own thing. So when I was like 3 or 4, like I started playing, I was 3 years old. Amazing Grace was my first song. When I got to 4 or 5 years old and I started maybe getting another song, whatever, I never wanted to play Amazing Grace the same way. I think the best way to deal with being nervous is to focus on building your self-confidence. And we struggle with being too critical of ourselves. I know I've struggled with that. I play the same way, whether it's us here, just me and you and, 2 other people, or 10,000 people. I'm giving the same energy.
So you did a course with Musicplay, and you also did a workshop with Musicplay.
Doing these courses with Musicplay, it's like, I feel like I've learned things, even though I'm the one that's teaching. And more importantly, I like helping people. That's just my nature.
For this 30-day workshop that you're launching about, soloing like a pro, what can they expect to learn from you in that workshop?
The ins and outs to, making a great solo. And I'm excited to be able to share that information, with all of you guys.
Hey, you know that feeling when musically you're just in the zone and the ideas are just flowing? Well, for me, Corey Henry solos are the best representation of being in the zone. And in fact, with over 100 million views, his solos are literally the most watched piano solos on YouTube. So I was super excited when I recently sat down with Corey to pick his brain on how he develops his sound. He shared insights into his unique approach for piano improvisation and even provided a couple of his secrets that are game changers. Listen, I want you to hear the full interview. So if you want to hear from Corey about all the key moments in his life that made him the world-renowned musician that he is today, then click the link below for exclusive access to my conversation with him. It's only available for a limited time, and the link below is the only way to access it. So check it out and enjoy.